Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to go over how to solve equations that involve fractions, and I'm going to be using the LCD method. The LCD method. Now, just like the name suggests, we're going to be finding the LCD first to solve this problem. Now, if you look at the denominators, we have 4 and 20. 4 and 20. Now, the LCD for 4 and 20 is going to be 20 because 4 is a factor of 20. So 20 is going to be the LCD. So I've got 20 here and then I've got 20 there. So LCD is 20. So going back to the equation, because the LCD is 20, I'm going to pick each term, and in this case, there are two terms. The 3x over 4 is one term, and then 45 over 20 is another term. So I'm going to multiply each term by the LCD. So 20 times 3x over 4, and then I've got 20 times 45 over 20, like that. So you could think of 20 as 20 over 1, that's fine. So 20 will cancel 20. We got 1 and 1. And then here you've got 4 and then 20. 4 will go into 4 one time. 4 will go into 20 5 times. So this is going to give me 5 times 3x on the left, which is 15x, equals 1 times 45 is 45. So 15x equals 45. But I'm trying to solve for x. So I'm going to divide by 15, divide by 15. And 45 divided by 15 is 3. It's 3. And that's it. All right, let's try another one. What about if we have 5x over 12 equals 2 over 7? So again, we've got to find the LCD. And here, in this case, if you find the multiples of 12, we got 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72. So you keep going till you get to 84. Now, if you already know, you might know that 12 times 7 is 84. So 84 becomes our LCD. So we're going to multiply each term, and in this problem, again, there are two terms, 5x over 12, 2 over 7. We're going to multiply each of the terms by 84. So 84 over 1 times 5x over 12. 84 times 2 over 7. Now, 84 is 84 over 1, 84 over 1. You don't have to put a 1 there because you already know that any number divided by 1 is that same number. So 12 goes into 12 one time. The same number 12 goes into the 7 times. When you come to the right, 7 goes into 7 one time. 7 goes into 84 12 times. So now I've got 7 times 5x, which is 35x. 12 times 2 is 24. And then I'm trying to solve for x. So x wants to be lonely. So I'm going to help x to be lonely. You divide both sides by 35. So x equals 24 over 35. And that's it. Okay. Another one. And this I'm going to take another step. So I'm going to try another difference problem. And let's do 3 over 4 plus x over 6 equals 13 over 12. So this time around, we've got three terms. We've got 3 over 4, x over 6, 13 over 12. We're trying to use the LCD method. The LCD method. So we find the LCD for 12, 6, and 4. 12 is the largest number, so I'm going to use 12. So 12 times 1 is 12. Hold on. Oh, 4 would go into 12, right? 4 would go into 12 evenly. 12 times 3, 4 times 3 is 12. 6 will go into 12 two times. 12 will also go into 12. So the LCD is 12. Now, I have to multiply each term by 12. So 3 over 4 multiplied by 12. X over 6 multiplied by 12. 13 over 12 multiply it by 12. Or another way to say this is that whatever is on the left, multiply by 12. So you do this, 12 times 3 over 4 plus x over 6 equals 12 times, 12 times 13 over 12. Now, if you use the distributive property, you'll see that this comes to 12 times 3 over 4 plus 12 times x over 6 equals 12 times 13 over 12. And that is why I earlier said that you are multiplying each term by 12. So you could have skipped this part here. You could have skipped this one. So 4 will go into 4 one time. 4 will go into 12 three times. 6 will go into 6 one time. 6 will go into 12 two times. 12 will go into 12 one time to go into 12 one time. So what I'm going to have now is 3 times 3, which is 9, plus 2 times x, which is 2x, plus 1 times 13. I'm going to go to another page and then put it on there. So 3 times 3 plus 2 times x equals 1 times 13. So 9 plus 2x equals 13. So this equation becomes simpler. I mean, this is simpler than what we started with. Now I'm still trying to solve for x. The 9 has to go away. It's a positive 9. So I'm going to do a minus 9. And then I do the same thing on the right. 9 minus 9 is 0. So this cancels out. I've got 2x equals 13 minus 9, which is 4. I divide by 2. I divide by 2. X equals 2. And that's it. So here you have lots of steps. You have lots of steps. But if you follow the steps, you find the LCD, apply the distributive property. Yeah, you fix the equation and yeah, you finish it up. And that's it. That's pretty much it. All right, another one. I'm going to go to another page. So let's say that we have 2x over 9 minus 4 equals x over 6. So 2x over 9 minus 4 equals x over 6. So here again, we've got three terms. Now, I should remind you again that 4, you could say it's 4 over 1 because it's a whole number. So we are finding the LCD for 6 and 9. 6 and 9. 9 is the largest, so I'm going to use 9, the multiples of 9. And remember, I did a video on LCD, so you could go back and then watch that video. So you'd see that 18 is also a multiple of 6. 6 times 3 is 18, so we're going to use 18. So each term should get the 18 distributed to it. So you multiply the first one by 18, or you could put it in parentheses. Okay? And then minus 18 times 4, or 4 over 1, equals 18 times x over 6. Now, 9 will go into itself one time, it will go into this 2 times. 6 will go into itself one time, it will go into this 3 times. So I've got 2 times 2x minus 18 times 4, which is 72, equals 3x. So 2 times 2x is 4x minus 72 equals 3x. Now at this point, you would see that the 4x and 3x are brothers, right? They are friends, so they've got to come together. And then the 72 has to go away. So I'm going to go to a new page and then continue with it. So 4x minus 72 equals 3x. Now the 3x has to come to the 4x. So I'm going to do a minus 3x because it's positive, minus 3x. So these will cancel out. So I've got 4x minus 3x. Now the 72 is a negative, so it's get a plus. And then you bring a 72 here. Equals 72 on that side. Now I did both of them together. You could have, done another step, right? But I did the 72 and I did the 3x. I switched them because you could do them together at the same time. 4x minus 3x is x. It equals 72. And that's it. Now, you could apply this to almost every problem. Almost every problem. Almost every problem. Okay. Now, one more in this video, and then I'm going to end this one. So let's say that we have, I'm going to go to a new page, x minus 2 over 4 plus 3x plus 2 over 2 equals 1/3. 1/3. So first of all, you've got to find the LCD, and the LCD here is 12. So each term is going to get a 12. So there are 3 terms, so x minus 2 over 4 plus 12 times 3x plus 2 over 2 equals 12 times 1/3. So this is the part where if you don't get it right, everything is going to be wrong. So 4 goes into 4 one time, it goes into 12 3 times. 2 goes into 2 one time, it goes into this 6 times. 3 goes into itself one time, it goes into this 4 times. So you've got 3 times x minus 2 plus 6 times 3x plus 2 equals 4. Now, for this one here in the middle, I've got 6 and then 3. So I could multiply the 6 and the 3